Your Barndominium is already the smartest home decision you've ever made. But right now, sitting on your property, there's a hidden asset you haven't activated yet. One that could generate $800 to $1,500 every single month, add 30% or more to your property value, and give your family the privacy they've been asking for. It costs a fraction of building a traditional guest house, and most Barndominium owners completely overlook it. Today we're breaking down the Sleepout Guest Room Edition, what it costs in 2026, how to build it right the first time, and the one mistake that wipes out every dollar you'd save. If you've ever had guests sleeping on your couch or aging parents who need their own space, this video is going to change how you think about your Barndominium property. Hit subscribe and tap the notification bell right now, because we cover alternative housing topics like this every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming. What is a sleepout and why Barndominiums are perfect for it? Let's start with the basics. A sleepout is a detached or semi-detached sleeping structure built separately from your main home. It's smaller than a full guest house, more private than a spare bedroom, and more affordable than an ADU. Think of it as your property's most versatile addition, a self-contained guest room with its own entrance, and in most cases, its own bathroom. Now, why does this work so brilliantly on a Barndominium property? Because Barndominium owners typically sit on larger parcels of land, with space that's already zoned for agricultural or rural use. That means fewer HOA restrictions, more flexibility with secondary structures, and in many states, a significantly simpler permitting process. You've already done the hard work of owning the right kind of property. A sleepout is the natural next step. The difference between a sleepout and a full ADU is important to understand. An ADU, or accessory dwelling unit, is a fully independent residential unit with its own kitchen, bathroom, living space, and legally separate address potential. A sleepout is simpler, smaller, and typically does not include a full kitchen. This distinction matters enormously for cost, permitting, and flexibility. A basic sleepout can be built for as little as $25,000 to $40,000. A full ADU on the same property can run $90,000 to $225,000. So here's what's wild. The sleepout sits in a sweet spot between too simple and too expensive, and in 2026, it's becoming the most requested addition on Barndominium properties. But there's a size and design decision that most people get completely wrong, and we're covering that in detail in just a moment. The real costs, what a sleepout actually costs, in 2026. Let's talk honest numbers, because the internet is full of lowball estimates that don't survive contact with a real contractor. A basic sleepout, meaning a single room with no bathroom, runs $25,000 to $45,000, depending on size, materials, and location. This gets you approximately 150 to 250 square feet of finished sleeping space, with insulation, drywall, flooring, a small window unit or mini-split, and exterior finishes that match your Barndominium. A mid-range sleepout with a private bathroom runs $50,000 to $85,000. This is the most popular choice in 2026 because it gives guests true independence. At this price point, you're getting 300 to 450 square feet, a functional bathroom with shower, proper HVAC, quality finishes, and in many cases, a small sitting area. A premium sleepout with bathroom, kitchenette, and covered porch runs $85,000 to $120,000. At this level, you're essentially building a luxury guest cottage that edges close to ADU territory without crossing the legal threshold in most jurisdictions. On a per square foot basis, expect to pay between $110 and $250 per square foot for a finished sleepout in 2026. Location is a major variable. Texas and Midwest builds tend to come in at the lower end. California and coastal markets push toward $200 per square foot and beyond. Here's the real breakdown for the most popular build: a 350 square foot sleepout with bathroom. Foundation slab runs $3,500 to $6,000. Framing and structure runs $12,000 to $18,000. Roofing costs $4,000 to $7,000. Insulation and drywall runs $5,000 to $9,000. Flooring costs $3,000 to $6,000. Bathroom with fixtures runs $8,000 to $14,000. Electrical runs $4,000 to $7,000. Mini-split HVAC costs $2,500 to $4,500. Exterior finish and paint runs $3,000 to $5,000. Windows and doors cost $3,500 to $6,000. Permits and engineering run $1,500 to $3,500. Total realistic range, $50,000 to $86,000 for a well-built 350 square foot sleepout with bathroom. Compare this to adding a traditional guest house from scratch, which averages $90,000 to $150,000 for a custom-built structure, according to 2026 data, or a prefab guest unit at $62,000 to $120,000 just for the unit plus installation. The Sleepout delivers most of the benefit at a fraction of the price. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part most YouTube channels never tell you. There's a specific design choice you make during the planning stage that either locks in massive long-term returns or guarantees the structure becomes a headache. We're getting to that right after the next section. Building it right, design and structure options. You have 4 primary structure options for your Sleepout addition on a Barndominium property, and each has real advantages. The first option is a custom stick-built Sleepout. This is built on-site from scratch by a framing crew. It gives you the most design flexibility, matches your Barndominium aesthetic precisely, and typically appraises the highest. It's also the most expensive and slowest to complete, usually taking 6 to 12 weeks from foundation to final inspection. The second option is a prefab or modular Sleepout unit. These are factory-built structures, delivered mostly complete and installed on a prepared slab. In 2026, this market has exploded. Studio-size prefab units start at $40,000 for 200 to 400 square feet and can be installed in days rather than weeks. The trade-off is less customization and potentially lower appraisal values in some markets. The third option is a Barndominium-style metal building Sleepout. This is the most natural fit for Barndominium owners because you're matching the aesthetic of your main home. A small 20 by 20 or 20 by 30 metal building shell costs $8,000 to $18,000 for the kit. Once you factor in foundation, insulation, interior finishing, and bathroom, total costs run $45,000 to $80,000. The big advantage is that it looks intentional and cohesive on your property. The fourth option is a converted shipping container Sleepout. A single 20-foot or 40-foot container gives you 160 to 320 square feet of raw space. After modifications, insulation, finishing, and a bathroom addition, total costs typically run $35,000 to $70,000. These are becoming increasingly popular on rural properties because of their durability, modern aesthetic, and relatively predictable costs. But here's the critical design decision we mentioned, and most people blow right past it. Are you building your Sleepout as a guest room only? Or are you building it with rental income and long-term flexibility in mind? Because these two goals require completely different approaches to layout, plumbing, and electrical, and getting this wrong will cost you. Keep watching. The honest pros of adding a Sleepout to your Barndominium. Let's talk about the genuine advantages, because there are several that make this one of the smartest investments on a Barndominium property in 2026. Property value increase is the first major advantage. Adding a quality Sleepout has been shown to increase property values by 20 to 35% in rural and semi-rural markets. A well-built 350 square foot Sleepout costing $65,000 on a Barndominium property worth $350,000 could add $70,000 to $120,000 in appraised value depending on location. In 2026, appraisers evaluate both resale impact and income potential when assessing ADU-adjacent structures. Rental income potential is the second major advantage. A Sleepout with private bathroom listed on short-term rental platforms can realistically generate $800 to $1,500 per month in rural and semi-rural markets, and significantly more near tourist destinations, national parks, or popular small towns. Even at a conservative $900 per month, that's $10,800 per year. A $65,000 Sleepout paid for by short-term rental income recovers its full cost in under 6 years, while simultaneously increasing your property value. Multi-generational living is the third advantage. In 2026, multi-generational living is at its highest rate in decades. Aging parents who want independence without isolation, adult children saving money, or extended family visiting for weeks rather than days. A Sleepout solves all of these situations without the awkwardness of shared living space. Everyone gets privacy, and you maintain your home's flow. Privacy without separation is the fourth advantage. Unlike a full ADU, a Sleepout keeps guests close enough to feel connected, but separate enough to feel like their own space. There's no building a second kitchen, no permanent utility separation, and no complex legal classification in most jurisdictions. Construction simplicity is the fifth advantage. A Sleepout is one of the more straightforward construction projects on a Barndominium property. No complex structural engineering, no major utility rerouting in most cases, and no months-long permitting battles. Many rural county jurisdictions allow structures under 400 square feet with a simplified permitting process. Here's what we haven't talked about yet, and it's the thing that makes or breaks whether your sleep out ends up being worth the investment. It comes down to one word: zoning. Stay with us. The honest cons and what nobody warns you about. Let's be completely real, because ignoring these will cost you money, time, or both. Zoning and permitting is the biggest challenge. Not every rural or agricultural property automatically allows secondary structures. Some counties permit a sleep out as a storage structure, but prohibit it from being used as a dwelling without a separate permit. Others require full ADU compliance, meaning a kitchen, separate utilities, and fire separation requirements, before anyone can legally sleep there. Always contact your local building department before spending a single dollar on design. This step alone can save you from building something you legally can't use. Utility connections can be expensive and complicated. If your sleep out sits more than 100 to 200 feet from your main barndominium, running electricity, water, and sewer, or connecting to your existing septic can add $5,000 to $20,000 or more to your total cost. Septic systems that aren't sized for a second structure may need to be expanded, which adds $3,500 to $8,500. Always get your septic capacity checked before finalizing plans. Financing is not straightforward. Most banks don't offer a standalone construction loan for a sleep out. Your options typically include a home equity loan or HELOC on your existing barndominium, a personal loan for smaller builds, or a cash-out refinance if you've built enough equity. Construction to permanent loans are available but typically require the structure to meet minimum habitable space requirements that a basic sleep-out may not satisfy. Short-term rental regulations are tightening. If your plan includes listing your sleep-out on a rental platform, be aware that local rental ordinances are changing fast in 2026. Many counties that previously had no restrictions are now implementing registration requirements, occupancy limits, and even outright bans in certain zones. Research your local rules thoroughly before building your income projection around short-term rentals. Maintenance and long-term costs add up. A separate structure means separate maintenance: roof, exterior, HVAC system, and plumbing. Budget 1 to 2% of the build cost annually for ongoing maintenance. A $70,000 sleep out costs $700 to $1,400 per year to maintain properly. Real-world example: a 400 square foot sleep out on a barndominium property. Let's run through a real-world scenario on a barndominium property in a rural Texas county. The main barndominium is a 40 by 60 build valued at approximately $320,000. The owners want to add a sleep out for family visits and potential short-term rental income. They chose a 20 by 20 metal building shell styled to match the main barndominium. Here is the complete cost breakdown. Shell kit for 400 square feet, $9,500. Concrete slab foundation, $5,200. Assembly and erection, $4,500. Spray foam insulation throughout, $6,400. Interior framing and drywall, $8,000. Bathroom with shower, toilet, vanity, $11,500. Mini split HVAC system, $3,800. Flooring, paint, trim, $6,200. Electrical including panel connection, $5,500. Plumbing connection to existing well and septic, $4,800. Exterior paint and matching trim, $2,800. Covered porch addition, $4,500. Permits and inspections, $2,000. Total project cost, $74,700. This sleep out is renting on a short-term platform for an average of $1,100 per month. Annual rental income, $13,200. Projected full cost recovery, 5.7 years. Estimated property value increase, $85,000 to $100,000. Net result: they spent $74,700 and added $85,000 to $100,000 in property value from day one, plus ongoing income. The math works. And here's the final piece we've been building toward: the single design feature that separates a sleep out that keeps earning for decades from one that stops working for you after year 2. This is the part you absolutely need to hear before you finalize any plan. What makes a sleep out worth it, long term? After everything we've covered, here's the honest conclusion on sleep out additions to barndominium properties in 2026. A sleep out is worth building if you have the land, a permitting environment that allows it, and at least one of 3 goals: generating rental income, housing family with independence, or increasing your property's appraised value before a future sale. The design feature that separates a good sleepout from a great one is future flexibility. Build with a private entrance and a lockable door. Install a separate electrical subpanel from the start. Rough-in plumbing for a kitchenette even if you don't finish it now. These three choices cost an extra $3,000 to $6,000 during construction and save you $15,000 to $30,000 if you ever want to upgrade it to a full ADU later. Design for what you need today, but wire and plumb for what you might need tomorrow. The Sleepout is one of the most underutilized additions on rural and barndominium properties. It doesn't require a massive budget, it doesn't require a complex permitting process in most counties, and it starts generating value the moment it's complete, either through income, family use, or property appreciation. The barndominium owner who builds one in 2026 is sitting on a significantly more valuable and more versatile property by 2030. The barndominium owner who keeps waiting is not. One more thing, and this is what we promise to come back to. The owners who see the best long-term returns from a sleepout are the ones who treat it like an investment from the design stage, not an afterthought. They plan the entrance carefully for privacy. They build in enough soundproofing between the sleeping area and the bathroom. They add a real covered porch instead of a cheap step. And they finish the exterior to match the main building, so the property photographs well for listings and appraisals. Details matter because buyers and renters both respond to how a property feels. If you found this useful, hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are thinking through decisions exactly like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and drop your question in the comments. Are you thinking about a sleepout for guests, for family, or for rental income? Tell us your situation, and we'll answer in the comments. Thanks for watching all the way through, and we'll see you in the next one.